Hello guys, this is your girl Berry Dow. If this is your first time of stopping by, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please subscribe. So in today's video, I'll be showing you on how you can verify your accounts through your mobile app. So first of all, what you do is that you click on your mobile app, your YouTube mobile app. It's loading. Then you click on your profile picture up there. Then you scroll down, you click on your data in YouTube. It's loading, okay? Then you scroll down, you click on your subscription. Okay. Then click on your profile picture up there. Scroll down, click on your desktop. It will not take you to the desktop site. So we are here now. At this point, what you do is that you click on your profile picture up there. Click on Creator Studio. At this point, if you don't have the app, you can download the app. But if you have the app, continue with me by tapping on the Continue to Studio. Still loading. Okay, so here we are now. What you do, you scroll down. There is this settings icon down here by your left side. Then you click on it. Click on your channel. Click on feature eligibility. Then the second one said features that require phone verification. So click on it. What you do, you have to zoom in so that you see it well. Then click on this arrow here. Now down here it said verify phone number. So when you get to this point, you have to click on this verify phone number. So zoom so that you can see what you're doing. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. So this is Nigeria, and they are giving you option. How should we deliver the verification code to you? Number one, call me with an automated voice message. Second, text me the verification code. So I will select text me the verification code. So I'll select it, and then I'll type my phone number. Let me type my phone number. So after typing the phone number, you submit. So now, this is the verification code. So my iPhone already has it here, so I'll have to insert here. So the next thing you do, you submit. As you can see, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. So this is how you can verify your account through your mobile app. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe, like, comment and share to your loved ones.